Why humans need sleep. Think about this for a moment. Imagine someone offered you a superpower. A power that could instantly make you smarter, improve your memory, help your body heal, boost your mood, make you stronger, and even help you live longer. Sounds incredible, right? Now here's the surprising part. You already have that superpower. It's called sleep. Every single night, while you're lying in bed doing absolutely nothing, your body becomes one of the busiest places on Earth. Your brain is working, your muscles are repairing, your immune system is getting stronger, your memories are being organized, and your entire body is preparing for another day. So why do humans need sleep? Why can't we simply stay awake forever? After all, sleep seems kind of strange. Every night, we become unconscious for hours. We can't hunt. We can't eat. We can't defend ourselves very well. From an evolutionary point of view, that sounds like a terrible idea. So why would every human need it? The answer is simple. Because without sleep, your body slowly begins to fall apart. Let's start with your brain. Many people think the brain shuts down while you sleep. But that's actually the opposite of what happens. Your brain stays incredibly active. In some parts of the night, it's almost as active as when you're awake. Scientists have discovered that while you sleep, your brain organizes everything you learn during the day. Imagine your brain is like a giant classroom. All day long, new information keeps arriving. Names, faces, school lessons, conversations, videos, games, facts. By nighttime, the classroom is a complete mess. Papers are everywhere. Books are open. Nothing is organized. Sleep is when your brain cleans everything up. It decides which memories are important, which ones should stay, and which ones can be forgotten. That's why studying before bed can actually help you remember information better. Your brain keeps working long after you've fallen asleep. But memory isn't the only thing happening. Your brain also performs something that scientists only discovered recently. It literally washes itself. Yes, your brain has its own cleaning system. During deep sleep, special fluid flows through the brain, washing away waste products that build up while you're awake. Imagine cleaning your bedroom every night. If you stopped cleaning for weeks, the room would become a disaster. Your brain works the same way. Sleep is its cleaning time. Now let's talk about your body. Imagine you spend all day playing soccer, running, jumping, falling. Your muscles experience tiny amounts of damage. That sounds bad, but it's actually normal. The amazing part is that most of the repair happens while you sleep. Your body releases growth hormone. Cells repair themselves. Bones recover. Muscles rebuild. That's one reason athletes take sleep so seriously. Some professional athletes even sleep 9 or 10 hours every night. Because recovery is just as important as training. Now here's another incredible fact. Your immune system becomes stronger while you sleep. The immune system is your body's defense army. It fights viruses, bacteria, and diseases. When you don't sleep enough, that army becomes weaker. That's why people who stay awake for long periods often get sick more easily. Your body simply doesn't have enough time to prepare its defenses. Have you ever noticed that when you're sick, you suddenly feel incredibly sleepy? That's not a coincidence. Your body is asking for extra time to heal. Sleep becomes part of the medicine. Now here's something that surprises many people. Sleep also affects emotions. Have you ever stayed awake too late, and suddenly everything became annoying? Tiny problems started feeling huge. You became impatient, grumpy, maybe even sad. That's because sleep helps regulate emotions. A well-rested brain handles stress much better. When you're tired, your emotional control becomes weaker. That's why children often become cranky when they need a nap. And honestly, adults aren't much different. Now let's talk about dreams. Scientists still don't fully understand why we dream, but they know dreams happen mostly during REM sleep. REM stands for rapid eye movement. During this stage, your eyes move quickly beneath your eyelids. Your brain becomes extremely active, and you experience vivid dreams. Some scientists believe dreams help process emotions. Others think they help solve problems. Some believe they strengthen memories. The truth is, we're still learning. And that's one of the coolest things about the human brain. Even after centuries of science, sleep still has mysteries. Now imagine trying to live without sleep. Could you do it? Not for long. The world record for staying awake is just over 11 days. By the end, the person experienced hallucinations, confusion, memory problems, difficulty speaking, and serious physical exhaustion. Without sleep, the brain simply cannot function properly. In fact, some scientists believe sleep is just as important as food and water. Think about that. You can survive much longer without food than without sleep. That shows how essential it really is. Now here's another question. Why do babies sleep so much? Newborn babies can sleep up to 16 hours a day. That's because their brains are developing incredibly fast. Every day, they learn new sounds, new faces, new movements, new emotions. Sleep gives their brains time to build all those new connections. It's like constructing thousands of tiny roads inside the brain. The more they sleep, the more those roads grow. Teenagers also need more sleep than many people realize. As your brain continues developing, sleep remains incredibly important. Unfortunately, many teenagers don't get enough. Homework, sports, video games, phones, social media, everything competes with sleep. But losing sleep makes learning harder. Concentrating becomes more difficult. Memory gets worse, and mood often suffers. Ironically, staying up late to study can actually make learning less effective. Now let's look at something amazing. Every animal sleeps. Dogs sleep, cats sleep, birds sleep, even fish rest in their own way. Some dolphins do something even stranger. They sleep with only half of their brain at a time. One half sleeps. The other half stays awake to keep swimming and breathing. Imagine being able to sleep while still moving. Nature is incredible. Our entire brain needs proper sleep. And that's exactly why getting enough rest matters. Now here's a modern problem. Screens, phones, tablets, computers, TVs, all of them produce blue light. Blue light tells your brain it's still daytime. As a result, that's why looking at your phone right before bed can make falling asleep harder. Your brain gets confused. It thinks the sun is still up. Another thing that affects sleep is caffeine. Coffee, energy drinks, some sodas, chocolate. Caffeine blocks the signals that make you feel tired. It doesn't remove tiredness. It simply hides it for a while. Eventually, the tiredness comes back, sometimes even stronger. Now imagine if humans never needed sleep. At first, that sounds amazing. You'd have 8 extra hours every day. More games, more movies, more work, more adventures. But you would lose something much more valuable. A healthy brain, a healthy body, strong memories, balanced emotions, and the ability to keep learning efficiently. Sleep isn't wasted time. It's an investment. Every hour you sleep helps tomorrow's version of yourself become smarter, healthier, and happier. So why do humans need sleep? Because it's the time when your body repairs itself. Your brain organizes memories. Your immune system becomes stronger. Your emotions reset. Your muscles recover. And your entire body prepares for another day. In other words, sleep isn't something your body does because it's tired. It's something your body needs to survive. The next time someone says they're going to stay awake all night, remember this. While they're missing sleep, their brain is missing one of the most important jobs it performs every single day. So tonight, when you climb into bed, remember that you're not simply going to sleep. You're giving your brain and your body the chance to perform one of the greatest miracles of human biology. And that miracle happens every single night. How many hours do you usually sleep? Comment below and subscribe for more simple and fascinating stories about science, history, the human body, and the amazing world around us.